Parent pages in InDesign are a great tool to help you stay consistent as well as save you some time while designing multi-page documents. So there are a lot of uses for them, but the most common are adding page numbers and section titles. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we are in InDesign. We're starting with a facing pages document since that's most common when doing multi-page documents. And we're going to want to go ahead and add page numbers. So the first thing you want to do is go to your parent section. So in the pages panel, you'll see it says parent. So make sure that you're double clicking on that parent pages, and then you'll get into the working side of the parent pages. So for your page numbers, you're going to need the type tool. Go to the type tool, draw a text box, and I'm going to go ahead and right align this and kind of move it to the bottom so it's all nice and square there. And then we're going to go to the type menu in the top bar. We're going to go to type. We're going to go to insert special character, markers, and I'm going to click current page number. But there are other options if you want to do current page, next page, etc. So with current page number, let's type out page here, maybe add a little hyphen. I'm going to make the font bigger so that we can just see it. Go ahead and choose a font, and there you go. Let's make this all nice and tight here. Click it down. Perfect. You'll notice the A here, so it says page A. That's because it is our parent page is titled A. So that'll change when we get into layout. So go ahead and copy, drag that to the left side, and then line it up, left align it, and there are 2 page numbers. So double clicking back into your actual document design, we'll see where these page numbers show up. So there you go. So page 1, page 2, page 3. So those A's got replaced, and that'll flow through the rest of the document when you add new pages. So that was page numbers if you just wanted to stop there. But we're also doing section titles. So when you're working with sections, the first thing you'll notice is this little triangle that's above the page. So that indicates a new section. So when we go ahead and right-click that page, you have the option for numbering and section options. Section marker is what is going to be the title of your section when we get into the parent pages, and I'll show you the little trick. So I'm going to call this parent pages, my section number. I'm going to hit OK. And when we go back into the parent pages, I'm just going to replace the word page here, and we're going to add that section marker. So in order to do that, we're going to go back up to the type menu. We're going to go insert special character, markers, and section marker. So this says section right now. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, flip it around for just design purposes, make it look nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, type, section, there we go. So now we have the section marker and the page number side by side. When I add new pages, that section name carries on through. Now what happens if you want to create a new section? So go ahead and right click the page that you want the new section to be at, go to numbering and section options, and that will create a new section. So for this section marker, I'm going to call it introduction. So now you'll see that this section is called introduction. The one above is called parent pages. You can see that the little triangle there shows that it's a new section. So that is using section markers and page numbers in InDesign with parent pages. Super easy. So now that you have a little taste of what parent pages can do, check out this video where I show you a lot more things you can do with parent pages that will make your design life way easier.